Tonight, we're going to be doing an interesting test. We are going to take this 5-gallon water jug, got a hole in it. We're going to be putting Tannerite in it, right? We're going to fill it up with water, we're going to seal it back, we're going to glue the Tannerite to the bottom. This isn't a ice penetration test. This is going to see if this Tannerite, I'm going to put it in a sealed bag, if it can seal with ice frozen around it, and will a round ignite and explode with it being inside ice. So, will this Tannerite blow up in encapsulated ice in this jug? Well, we're going to see. If not, I'm just down one little Tannerite bottle. But anyways, let's give it a test for science. And I'm the king of the north, and you're not dressed for this weather. Okay, got the Tannerite inside. We got it taped down and glued. We got a bag around the Tannerite with a little space to give, just in case there's some ice expansion, and hopefully it won't crack the container and ruin the binary mixture. But we are going to get some water in this and see what happens. Go check this out. So, well, it survived staying at the bottom, so good news there. Alright, now all it has to do is freeze. As you can see, it is close to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Probably about 5 degrees, a little less right now, so yep, that won't take any time to freeze, but we'll just wait till tomorrow. I have a lot of doubts about this one, but we'll still have fun shooting if not. Okay. Alright, it froze cleanly. Let's get it out to the ring. My God. It worked! Oh, frozen Tannerite just exploded. Alright then. Well, no question about that. Signing off.